Hi guys, welcome or Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Surbhi. So today I'm gonna show you my eyeshadow palettes. Before starting the video, I'd like to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. Also, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment section down below if you have anything else to say. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. And please excuse my hair, it's like really hot right now. I switched off the fan and everything to prevent the noise. It's very noisy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So we'll first start with Maybelline. Yeah. So my absolute favorite since college was the Maybelline the Nudes palette. Yeah, this one. This one was amazing. I have finished using one of them and this is the second one, but thanks to the pandemic and everything I haven't finished using this. This was quite affordable during that time. Now I think this I bought it around 2 years back or something. Yeah, and the colors were kind of pigmented too for the blacks and everything. The color which is my absolute favorite though is this brown one. Like during going to college for eyebrows and everything, I used to use this one to fill the eyebrows or just to use it as a nude eyeshadow. I absolutely loved it. So if you're looking for something which do contain a lot of browns and it does have a black, I suggest you to go for this palette. And it was affordable. I think I bought it for around 600 or 500, obviously during sales on Nykaa. The second one from Maybelline's is the blush nudes. So during that time, again 2 years or something beforehand, pinks and glitters were very when I dropped the paper were very this thing, and this is quite an affordable range because I bought it during the sale. I don't know the correct MRP, that was 800 or 900, I have no clue, but this did contain garner a lot of negative reviews because the pigment, guys. Like it looks so beautiful and everything, and I like it too, but see, it is good. It is a very pretty and aesthetic palette and I like it still looking at it. But the thing is, if you're looking for a pigmented palette and everything, I suggest you stay very far from this palette. Though it looks very nice and you get a brush to use it and everything, and I'm actually gonna hit pan on this color. This is my absolute favorite, but the pigmentation, guys, is not that great at all. If you want to put aesthetic palette just to look at and then you are okay with not having pigment and stuff, then you can go for this palette. So the next palette that I have is not actually a eyeshadow palette, but I do use it as, I used to use it as an eyeshadow palette and I did not have a lot of eyeshadows with me. So this is the LA Colors blush and highlight palette, and this is for the variant Peaches and Cream. Whenever I used to travel, back when we used to travel, I used to always carry this palette around because it has two highlighter shades and then it has a blush. And the thing is, I don't actually like using it as a blush that much. If I do use it, I use a bare minimum, maybe this color or something. But the thing is, guys, it's very powdery. Yeah, like it has this one has no glitter. Yeah, I'll swatch it for you guys somewhere. This is just like a powder and it actually kind of goes well with my skin tone. But the blushes over here, like the shades that they have given, are very shiny. So I don't like having a shiny blush on my face. I already have a very oily face and this would be a strict no-no for my skin type. If you're an oily skin type, I don't think a shiny blush goes with it. At least I do not like to have a shiny blush. I like very matte tones, very subtle ones, that is. So whenever I used to have this, I used to use it as a eyeshadow rather than a blush. So it looked actually nice whenever I wanted to just highlight my eyes. And then this one went for a very subtle look, and this one does not have any shine at all. This is very matte and I like this one. The highlighters over here are okay, nothing like special, but if you're looking for affordable palette, this is your go-to. Like, it was very affordable. I bought it for around 300 rupees or something, and to use it like multi-purposely for multiple aspects, it's like very much a steal. So yeah, I really liked it. So the next ones are from Maybelline. I love Maybelline as a brand for eyeshadows. They have a lot of variety and stuff. So first I will be talking about this one, guys, the chocolate bar. I love these. They look so good, if you know what I mean. Like when they were like launched in the market, I was just looking. I was like, I want to have them just because of their packaging. Like, yeah, and they look so good. Like, I wanted them, and I used to always wait for the sale and everything to catch hold of them. So this was the first palette that I purchased, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror, and it has like, I'll show you like this. There's a huge ass mirror over here, and these are the shades which you get. My absolute favorite has to be hands down this one. If you haven't guessed already, I like those coral orangey ones, and the pigmentation for Maybelline, I would rate them out of 10. I would give them around a 4 or a 5 because they are good, they are affordable. Obviously these retail for a lot more price than Maybelline, obviously, but the pigment is nice. Like, it is so much better. I would rate this around 7 or 8. And after purchasing this one, I went for the, so I forgot to tell you, this one is a salted caramel one, and this is the I Heart Makeup Chocolate Vice, and I love this one too. I haven't got around using this much because this is comparatively new. This is what it looks like, guys. Now the colors may seem similar and everything, but there's quite a bit difference in the colors. This one is has a lot of dark grayish and blacks and everything, and this one does have black, but it has more of a browns over here. It has 2 glitter colors too, and the pigment, guys, again, the pigment, just look at it. Let me swatch it for you guys again. Like, look at that. I really love this. Like, these Makeup Revolution palettes are like my absolute favorite. And this one, the next palette that I'll be showing to you is by Makeup Revolution again, Pretty Creative. This is what it looks like. And I haven't even opened this because I already have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so I did not get around using this, but I'm gonna use this soon. These are very colorful, as you can see from this thing. I haven't even opened it yet. It still has that sellotape thing going on. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this. And yeah, give it a go. Tell me if you would like to see any of the makeup looks or anything regarding all these eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so the next one is my favorite from all these eyeshadow palettes, and this is the again Makeup Revolution. These are the Reloaded Neutrals. Yeah, neutrals, NEW-trals, yeah. And guys, the pigment in this eyeshadow palette is crazy. These have a lot of matte colors and just 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, and have 5 glitter ones. I haven't used them much, but I used it for my eyeshadow now. I used this one. Now let me tell you what happened. So I haven't used it again, and the color, guys, Makeup Revolution does not fail at all. Look at that. I will swatch a matte color for you guys. This one, and this one. So I put my finger on it, and I decided I'll just pat it with my finger, and let me show you the pigment. Yeah, that is like so crazy. So I put a finger and put my on it put it on my eyelid, and it was full orange, like the burnt orange color, and it was so pigmented, it is crazy. Now this palette is more pigmented, and this is good if you want to have it for a collection, in your collection, like it's so pretty and the packaging. But guys, this one is so good, and I even got it there was a buy one get one thing happening. I got 2 palettes for around 850. I gave another one to my sister, and the pigment is crazy in this palette. I love it. Look at this, so good. Like, if you want to buy a palette, I seriously suggest that you get this one. Like, it is so good, like so good. I love the pigment on this. Or if you do not like these colors, like pinks and browns and everything, I suggest to go for something else. There are a lot of colors in this range, so you can go and check this one out. I love this one, especially if you love eyeshadows which are matte. Now I'm a very matte girl. I love colors that are like matte, because my face, as I told you, is very oily, so the matte colors usually stick around well, the matte variants. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. Okay, the last eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna show you was not bought by me, it was a gift. So this is the palette. This is the NYX Love You So Mochi. Now, as I told you, I do not fancy glitter eyeshadows and everything, but this one, actually the colors and everything look so good, like it is going around online. So I had it in my wish list and I had told nothing, and then I got it as a gift. Like, can you beat it, guys? But it breaks my heart that the color, one of it has broken, and that looks so good. Now this is a full glitter eyeshadow palette, so if you like glitter, you can give this a try. Again, the colors so good. Let me this thing in my hand. Let me swatch it. Where should I swatch it? Okay, let's go here. Like the pigmentation, guys, especially for a glitter color, it is so difficult to get pigmentation, and this palette is so good regarding that. I love the colors also. It is very muted pinks. You get a purple one, you get brownish tones. I love it. Like, I'm not a glitter eyeshadow girl, but this one is so good. Like, let me swatch it again. Yep, it is so good, guys. So if you like glitter eyeshadows, I'll suggest this one to you. So the ones which I actually have the eyeshadow palettes, if I had to suggest 2 for you guys, then I would suggest you to go for this, the Reloaded Neutrals one, and this NYX Love You So Mochi. If you're on a tight budget, I would suggest you to go for Maybelline, which are always on a combo discount during the sales and everything. You get it at a very cheaper rate compared to the MRP. But the pigmentation, if you are okay with having normal pigmentation and not pigmented, then Maybelline is a good choice for you guys. This is what my hand looks like now. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you like the video, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down in the comment section down below. It would mean a lot to me, guys. For now, bye.